Hey, bro, put on that damn Rocco beat, bro. That new Rocco. I want to murder that boy, man. You already know. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there. It's your boy Jay Smooth, man. Watch me go in it. The man of respect, baby. Living wealthy. I got us, bro. Watch this. Okay. Look. Every time I take a L, I win twice. Me, nigga. But on the mic, I been nice. We chop rocks the same color as 10 lights. And mid-zones for 90. That's a pimp price. Yeah. I could show you how thugs play. I got a team of killers and a stripper that love yay. So I could care less what a scrub say. My Rolodex fatter than Jared from Subway. Back in the day, little nigga just fall back. We on our own shit, we ain't trying to hear all that. Cause y'all whack, what the fuck is you here for? I'm Bronx Tale Sonny, you Robert De Niro. Your little hoe speak up and get wiped out. And if you try to creep up, you gon' get sniped out. It's lights out, no love for non-lyricists. Niggas hear your shit and be like, I'm not feeling this. So why rap if you can't spit? Flock of hoes on my hard in the paint shit. So good luck trying to block me out. I get blowed and murder every hot beat out. Need a verse, I charge like a millennium. Cause word on the street is bitch, I be killing them. Bro, I'm just different with my material. I wake up and put Bud Ice in my cereal. Imperial, I'm different from y'all dudes. Part pit, I treat an instrumental like dog food. My nigga Cash said kill him with no love. OJ style, but I'm gutter with no glove. Povart jumper high, rise above. Me being broke is like a Sigma with no dove. It's Black Jew, I'm ahead of my time. I got flow, but I'm only getting better with time. Please know I grind harder than 2 dikes. The man of respect, shout out my nigga 2 mics. I keep it 100 cause shit that's what your boo likes. Raising the bar, I take that shit to new heights. My swag flyer than 2 kites. And I got more punchlines than 2 kites. Yeah, word to my size 12 feet. These niggas faker than some Taco Bell meat. You know what it is, man. Living wealthy, Jay Smooth, Black Jew. Holla at me, man. Niggas not fucking with me.